Good afternoon, students. So in the previous class we have seen about Scratch. We have learned how to install Scratch. Even those who are not having laptop with them, how they can work with Scratch. We have seen different parts of Scratch in detail. With that, we have also seen the different functions available in the Scratch. How you can change the background, how you can add sprites, what is stage, and so on. Today we are going to start with the next unit, that's Alice in the Wonderland session or the unit. So let's begin by watching the first video over here.
Hello friends, do you remember me? Yes, I'm Coco. I am back to introduce you all to Unit 3 of CCS. Friends, I am in the mood to read a story today. Which one should I read? Let me read the story of Alice in Wonderland. Let's begin. Alice is sitting under the tree and imagining her visit to Wonderland. She finds herself in a park and sees a beautiful rabbit. She praises him. She finds a board that reads, "Touch me," hanging on the tree. When she touches the board, the tree says, "Answer my question if you want to go to Wonderland." Alice answers the question and enters the world of mysteries. Wow, the story seems very interesting. I want to recreate the story of Alice in Wonderland in my own way. But how do I do that? Hey, can I help you? Who are you? I am a cat. I wanted to inform you that you can create your story using the Scratch software. I am a part of Scratch where I am used as a cartoon image that appears by default. I am also known as the Scratch mascot. The Scratch library contains many characters like me. They are known as sprites. You can use these sprites to create your own story. Oh, that's great! Thank you so much for your help. I can imagine Alice standing in a park in a beautiful blue dress. So friends, let's see how we can create a story showing the journey of Alice in Wonderland using Scratch. Creating this story will be a lot of fun. Bye-bye. Happy learning.
Okay, so students, you have seen in this video that we are going to begin with the new unit, that is Alice in the Wonderland, and where, as I said last time only, we are going to use Scratch, where we are going to make the story, where we are going to recreate matlab kya? Recreating the scenes means we are going to recreate the same story in our way with some twist. Okay, same story but with a twist. For example, Alice imagines of a wonderland, of a palace. So instead of a palace, you can write down Alice imagines of a beautiful greenery area or a beautiful garden. So you can just recreate the scenes. So how can you do that? Obviously, we have a Scratch software using which you can, create stories, create animations, and as discussed, as I have shown the demo of the same last time, the same way we are going to follow this time also. Okay, so let's begin. So after watching this video, you need to solve worksheet number 1. Now this worksheet number 1 is available. Worksheet number 1 is available on page number 37. It's very easy. It's just a puzzle, and you have to just write down the numbers over here. So which one will come first and which will come second and third. So in this way, you have to write down the complete puzzle over here. Okay, with the numbers. So this is the way you have to complete the first worksheet, which is as a homework, and I think we have also done this in the class. But those who have not done can again redo it and complete this as a homework. Moving ahead, let's watch the next video.
friends, I am back again. In the previous video, we learned that we can use a software named Scratch to design and develop our own stories. Scratch is a very simple yet interesting component.
Okay. So we have seen this in the last time, what is Scratch and how we can work with Scratch. ये हमने देखा है last time कि Scratch कैसे होता है, उससे work कैसे करते हैं, and what are the different parts available in Scratch. So this video we have seen last time. Those who have missed out can just watch the previous lecture which already I have shared in the WhatsApp group. Okay, it's available in the WhatsApp group. It's also available in the GC. I'll be sharing the link in the GC also of all the lectures so that you can watch one by one as per the days available. Okay, moving ahead. Yeah. So now look at the given sprite. Look at the given sprite. This is the activity which is there on page number 38. Okay, this activity is on page number 38. Look at the given sprite from the Scratch library. Circle the sprite that you think can be used in the story. So these are some of the photos I have given to you, right? So you have to imagine that out of these, which two characters or which two sprites can be used in your story. So you can use you can imagine yourself कि आपको कौन से sprite use करना है, कौन से character आपकी story में use करने हैं. So these two are the answer is Alice and a small rabbit, which can be used in the story. Okay, that's it. So it is now time to add sprite for Alice and Rabbit to the stage. There are different ways to add a sprite using Scratch editor. Choose a sprite, paint, draw a sprite, upload a sprite. So we will be doing this. We will be adding these two sprites in our Scratch. So how to do that? Let's see. So as you can see, I'll be opening my I'll be opening this from here. Here is Scratch. Open the Scratch 3 from here. And now the one those using mobile phone, I have told you what to do. Okay, so you can just please watch the previous video for that. I'm once again repeating. जो लैपटॉप यूज कर रहा है उसके लिए बहुत इजी है, डाउनलोड करना है. जो लैपटॉप नहीं यूज कर रहा है और जो डायरेक्टली ऑनलाइन कर रहा है उनको इस तरह से करना है जो मैंने आपको लास्ट वीडियो में दिखाया है, लास्ट लेक्चर में दिखाया है. आप प्लीज उसको वापस देखिए. ओके, सो व्हाट यू हैव टू डू इन दिस इज अ स्टेज. ओके, सो आई डोंट वांट दिस कैट. क्या करोगे आप? इसको आके इस कर दोगे डिलीट. इट गॉट डिलीटेड, राइट? नाउ आई वांट टू ऐड two characters over here. One is this which we have taken from our circled, right? So one was Alice and one is the rabbit. So how to take that? Here you have the option of choose a sprite. This is called a sprite area. Okay, यहाँ पे choose a sprite पे click करो आप. And from here we'll be taking the so let's click on fantasy and we might get Alice over here. See, here is Alice the princess. So click on this Alice princess. We got the Alice over here, and now we want a small rabbit. So again click on this plus, choose a sprite, and let's take animals maybe, and from here we can take the rabbit. Yeah, here's the rabbit is here. Take this one. So we have the rabbit also. We have a rabbit and we have a Alice. So this scene is ready. ये scene हमारा ready हो गया है. ठीक है? Let's move ahead with the next part. Okay, let's move ahead with the next part in the video. So what we have seen how to add two sprites in the story, Alice and the rabbit, which we have done, and I also want you all to do it simultaneously. In case you are facing any difficulty of how to use Scratch, please watch the previous lecture which is already there in your WhatsApp group. I am also sharing the same in the GC. Okay, moving ahead, we will be now solving worksheet number 2. So this already we have done. We have circled these two. This already we have done, right? ये हमने already किया हुआ है. So once again, just quick revision of that. Yeah, so this is what we have already done. ये already हमने किया है और हमने यहाँ पे add भी कर दिया है. ठीक है? Now moving ahead. So this is the way we have added the two sprites in our story. Okay, so you have seen. So see, this is what we have done in our story, and we have added two sprites in our story. Okay, Here they have just shown how to add two sprites. So this steps already we have done. Already मैंने आपको दिखाया है पूरे इसमें कैसे करना है. इन द वीडियो में दिखाया है आपको मैंने कैसे करना है. आपको बस क्लिक करना है उसके अंदर and you have to make the you have to add the sprites. Okay. Now once it is done, what you will do, ये होने के बाद आप क्या करोगे, click on file, click on save to your computer. Okay. You can give a name to your story. You can go ahead to desktop and give a name to your story as Alice the Wonderland. Alice the Wonderland. Okay, and just click on save. Save it in your desktop. Right. This is how you will save your project. Okay. See, you can give a name from here also. Alice the Wonderland. You have given the name. Okay. So this is what you will be doing in your first period, the first day. Moving ahead. The next thing that we have to do is choose a background. So this is activity 2.1. You have on page number 40. So page number 40 is a homework which is simply you have to match the given background with the theme. Now sports day. For sports day, what theme you will be using? Obviously you will be using theme number 3, which looks like a sports ground. Jungle. For jungle, yes, theme number 1. And for dance party, perfect, the number 2. Just do match the pairs and this will be ready. Okay. Moving ahead. सब करना है आपको साइमल्टेनियसली. ठीक है. दिस वर्कशीट नंबर 4, ये जो हमने ऑलरेडी अभी किया है, ये वही वर्कशीट है. ओके. Yeah, these are the answers of the same question what we have done just now. Again, going ahead, we have now we are going to add a backdrop. So how to add a backdrop to our story? तो आपके स्टोरी में backdrop कैसे ऐड करते हैं? वेरी इजी. ये आपकी स्टोरी है, इसमें हमें ऐड करना है जंगल वाला बैकग्राउंड. ओके, यू कैन सी, आप देख सकते हो वीडियो में, इट्स अ जंगल टाइप बैकग्राउंड, राइट? सो इट्स वेरी इजी. एग्जैक्टली हियर इन द एट द बॉटम, यहाँ पे चूज अ बैकड्रॉप. इट्स कॉल्ड द बैकड्रॉप एरिया. क्लिक ऑन द बैकड्रॉप एंड फ्रॉम हियर यू कैन चूज द backdrop from here, a jungle like backdrop. You can take any, आप कोई भी ले सकते हो. What is given in the video, you'll just try to search that. If you find it, it will be great. Let's try to find the backdrop which we have seen in the video. Just search it down, come slowly down. If you are able to see. If not, you can take anything else. I will take this. Okay, I am not able to find, so I am taking this one. You can take any. Okay. So in this way, you can add the backdrop, and your backdrop is ready. Simple. Okay. Moving ahead. Let's see next one. Let's watch the video now.
Hello students. In a story, different characters talk to each other. Children. Hi, I am Rex. What about you? I am Sarah. I am faster than me.
Okay, so what you have seen here, this is nothing but a story, and as you know, every story has some dialogues. हर story में dialogues होते हैं, जहाँ पे हर एक दूसरे से बात करना. Any story without a dialogue is not a story. So every story have a dialogue. There is dialogue between 2 people, 3 people, 4 people. Okay, so every story consists of what? Consists of dialogues. Okay, now here you are going to see come on page number 42. Now when you come on page number 42, you can see the activity over here. Look at the given picture carefully. Write down the conversation taken between the mother and the son. तो आपको आपके मन से whatever you think, you have to see what will be the conversation. What the mother is saying: "Get up, son. It is 8 o'clock." Then what is mother is saying? Child is saying,